G'day, it's good to see you. Happy Easter Sunday to you all. I hope the Easter Bunny came and slayed you with chocolate eggs last night. Seeing that my content is not made for children, the Easter Bunny's not real. We need to do a shipload or a boatload of masking on this thing today. Got to mask up all around here, all under here to do that rail. The dashboard, I'm thinking about spraying the dashboard first, and I think I'm going to either do it black or white. Maybe black to match this, sort of blend that through. Got to paint all these, and then I'm going to do my own brand of chalk shit inside the boat. I'm just going to get it on a brush, dab it in the paint and flick it on essentially, so we'll just see what happens. So I'm going to do a test run on the floor, under the floor, so you won't be seen. We'll see how it comes up. Just got to have a go. I have no idea what I'm doing, but we're going to have a go. You guys go and grab yourself another Easter egg. By the time you get back, this will be masked up. How do they do that? Works on other videos. We're getting there. Just need to whip that steering wheel off so I can get more masking around that. And we're going to hang the little fish finder up off there so he's up out of the way. Got our super toolbox. I reckon that looks about 17 mil, that caper. That's him. He's out of our way. It'll be good. He'll hang there nicely out of our way. That will make our life a whole lot easier. Unfortunately, I've got no black primer, so we'll just run with this. It's a bit of a darker colour, so it should be fine on this raw edge here. That'll work for a minute to dry. Remembering this is all paint that I've just had laying around from other projects, so it's costing nothing. Flat black. That's going to look good. So there'll be no reflection of the sun coming off any gloss paint. Beautiful. All right, we are dry. Let's get this party started. Get a little bit here first of all. On that rail. The nozzle's starting to play up. Might need to clean up. So I'll get a little bit under here. Perfection. Guys, you're going to be proud of me. I've made the executive decision to throw out my old glasses. Look at that. Gone. So I jump on eBay, buy myself some new glasses. Seems all the other ones I got are broken. So I get on there and they're like $4 each. So I thought I'll get 6 pairs, you know. So perfect. So they rock up and it was actually 4 for $6. So I've ended up with nearly 30 pairs. No excuse now. Heavenly. Time to do the side rail. That was easy enough. There's our masking tape on that line that I want it to be on. Now I'm going to mask some paper down there. There you go. I think I'm actually going to run out of paint, unfortunately. So remember, this is a matte finish, so it's all glossy and weird at the moment, but It'll dry nice and flat. So you're done. Let's see how we went here. That is so good. So this side here is now dry. Check that out. See the matte finish it just hides a myriad of bloody problems and dramas. Check the line out under there now. That is way better. Look at that, no blue, no crap. Much better. That is so much better. Must be the new glasses. That is where they're going to live from now on. So in 10 minutes, remind me there, will you? When I'm looking. That's come up well too. Remember, that was all just silver. Nice. And there, beautiful. The dash is dry. Have a look at that. That is beautiful. Check the difference. Just tidying up the windscreen and the black bumper rail. So much better. We are heading into Vic Roads to try and get the boat and trailer registered. You know what chance we've got of that happening, don't you? About that much, I reckon. I'll bet my left knacker that I will come out of Vic Roads with one of them at least not registered. No doubt in my mind. Here we go. Got all the paperwork we need. That's how we go. Let the games begin.
Number ASR9.
Bingo.
Please proceed to counter.
I had to book an appointment, of course. So I'm going to bring the trailer here. They've got to site it. Then I'm going to take the trailer home, stamp the VIN number into it, then bring it back for the appointment. Fun and games. Just knew it. It was a waste of 2 hours. Very informative though. Oh, I love coming down the stairs and just seeing that black rail. Every day the boat changes, you know, the sticker, the rail. The dash is looking amazing. How good is that? That looks awesome. I think it does. Very, very happy with that. That looks great. Very happy. This is our little bracket for the sounder on the dashboard, so we hit him with a bit of colour. Line up our other holes. So we don't scratch our nice new paint job. Don't slip. And these guys actually had these little rubbers on the bottom of those screws so you don't destroy your legs if you go whacking into them. There she is, back in business, and I'm loving that dashboard. Looks great. How can we whack this on too? It's got a keyway there, which is there. Motor is straight. Check out our keyway. That's better, or maybe that's straight. Yeah, that's better. I'm sure you can all hear that. This is the paint I want to use for Daz's chook poo. This nozzle was buggered and it also didn't squirt out of the tube. So I need to release the pressure out of it so I can get to the paint. Hand's freezing cold now. Really cold. That could have went horribly wrong. But it worked a treat. Oh, that was bad. I went into fail mode and I went to shake the can. And I forgot I had a hole in it. I've just pooed my whole floor of the shed. Oh, Jesus. She went all over the boat, all over the floor. Got our little coffee lid there. Nick a bit of our paint out of our can. So this is my theory on my chook poo. I don't want to have big globs. That's all I want. Oh, see, they're too close together. I'm going to try the glove theory this time. Oh, that's better. Heaps better. That's how I want it. I think we're onto something. I think that's going to work good. So we just need to cover up the bits that we don't want to get paint flicked all over. Here we go. On the brush. Remember, we're going to put a heap of colours in this too, not just black. A little bit heavy there, but look at that. Professional! I just do these areas here that I don't need to worry about. I've masked up the dashboard because we don't want to get paint all over that. Few runs up there, broke my brush. The green, we'll go the green camo, see how that comes up. Then I'm going to do white as well. We'll see if the black comes through this as well. Oh, that is cool. That is really cool. I've just put my glasses on. Always handy to see what you're doing. And my paintbrush has just totally fallen apart. Third colour with a bit of green. So just looking around, I think it needs more green. We've got a few runs happening over there, which isn't that sexy. But I'm hoping by the time I do some of the white and the original colour, I think it'll blend, it'll really mellow the dark colours out. By the time I fluff around with all this, I should have just painted it, shouldn't I? Time for some white. That is very cool. The white has done what I'd hoped it would do. Just lifted it, given it a bit of brightness. That looks pretty good. Happy with that. So I'm going to go around and get all the over flick off on them cables. That's going to drive me mad and look horrible. But everywhere else is pretty good. I'm spewing about them runs up there, but what I plan to do is get a bit of the, not much left, the original colour that I sprayed inside the boat and just go over those really heavy spots, which will mellow it out. Happy days. I know it looks a bit wild and crazy now, the paint. Looks a bit out of control. But when the seats go back in, the floor goes back in, it'll all just mellow it out. It'll just be in the background. So a bit of the original colour. See, it all just mellows out the big heavy runs of black. It's a bit of a heavy run of black through there. See, it just mellows it all out, the original colour. It was really heavy up under here, so I just flicked it with the original colour and it's just pulled it all back a bit. Nice. Okay, the chook poo is done. Daz's cheap chook poo. Let me know your thoughts in the comments on the chook poo. Be kind to me. Be gentle, please. There she is. Don't worry about the floor because that'll all be covered by floor. But check the walls out. My mission for the next few days is to get the boat off the trailer, get it down to Vic Roads, get the numbers for the trailer, get them stamped in and start sprucing the trailer up. Get it registered and get the boat registered so we can get our numbers back on here and get our pinstripe done along this side, which I think is going to look awesome. Until I see you next week, thanks heaps for watching. Don't forget to like this and please subscribe. I'll see you in church next Sunday. Catch you then.